Hi everybody, welcome to Tech Growth Stocks channel. Today I bring you a new episode about the tech stocks to buy now. Specifically, this is part 2 of the series, and today I give you 4 more top tech stocks to buy now. These stocks have excellent momentum and have also good growth characteristics, so I think these are the hot stocks, the hot tech stocks to focus on right now. Okay, before we start right off with the stocks, I have to make a short disclaimer. Please consider this video does not constitute financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. Okay, so this was it for the disclaimer. Let's start right off with the stocks. And the first stock is, as you can see, DDOG, Datadog. In the longer term chart, you can see Datadog has been an IPO in September 2019. After its IPO, it formed a nice IPO base, and this year around May, in May, it broke out of that IPO base and formed a nice uptrend. And now you can see here it has been base building as well. The short-term chart you see here a longer base now, which has been building since June this year, which is quite long. And currently we trade around the lows of that base. So I think it could be an attractive entry point for Datadog. The EPS growth is not the strongest. It's weak. It's minus 110%, but the sales growth is excellent with 78%. And the relative strength rating is okay with 89. And Datadog is in a hot sector. It's in the tech software sector. So it's been a recent IPO, so I think it's definitely a top tech stock to buy right now. Okay, everybody, so that was it for Datadog. Let's have a look at the next top tech stock to buy right now, and it is CRWD, CrowdStrike Holdings. In the long-term chart, you see after its IPO, it moved up a little bit, and then it had a breakdown. We had a breakdown in the stock and formed the downtrend. And this year in March, we made the low of this downtrend, and we could reverse and form a nice uptrend and trade to the upside. In the short-term chart, you see an uptrend here, and you can see as well we have been consolidating since the 1st of September now. And now, and we are base building at the moment. CrowdStrike's growth characteristics, the EPS growth is not the strongest. It's minus 48%, but the sales growth is very strong with 85%. And the relative strength rating is good with 92. And it's in a hot sector, in the tech software sector. So I think CrowdStrike is definitely a top tech stock to buy right now. Okay, so that was it for CrowdStrike. Let's have a look at the next top tech stock to buy right now, and it is TTD, the Trade Desk. Here you can see the longer term chart of the Trade Desk, and as you can see, the Trade Desk was an IPO in around September 2016. After its IPO, here you can see it a little bit. It formed a nice IPO base, and it broke out to the upside and formed a very strong uptrend, multi-year uptrend. This year here we can see also this year, February, March, we broke down in the Trade Desk and made a low in March at around 136. And then we could trade to the upside, and now we are at 734, so we traded quite strongly from this year's low, very strongly. The short-term chart, you can see we traded up here, had a sideways move. Here we had a strong up move as well, sideways, and recently after the earnings we broke out strongly on strong volume, and now it looks like it wants to hold the gap. the trade desk, or we tested the gap, the earnings gap breakout here, and now it looks like for the moment the trade desk wants to hold this gap. Yeah, the trade desk growth characteristics, the EPS growth is very strong with 46%, and the sales growth is good with 9%. The relative strength rating is also good with 95, and it's in a hot sector, in the tech software sector. So I think it's definitely a top tech stock to buy right now. Okay, so that was it for the trade desk. So let's have a look at the last top tech stock to buy right now, and it is mRNA, Moderna. In the longer term chart, you can see after its IPO in December 2018, Moderna formed a nice IPO base, and this year around March we could break out of that IPO base and form a nice uptrend. And recently, yeah, we have been base building for Moderna again since around May. Yeah, since around May this year we have been base building for Moderna, and yeah, in the last week we broke out here over this high strongly, and now Moderna looks very strong with the corona vaccine related news of Pfizer and so on, and soon I think it could have some very vaccine related good news. So I think Moderna is a good tech stock to buy right now. Yeah, Moderna's growth characteristics, the EPS growth is 18%, and the sales growth is very strong with 617%, and the relative strength rating is also very strong with 97. And so it's a hot biotech sector. And the biotech sector had been some biotech stocks have been very strong performance over the last years, in the overall sector as well, a very strong performing sector. So I think Moderna is definitely a top tech stock to buy right now. Okay, everybody, so these were the top 5 stocks, the top 5 tech stocks to buy right now for today. I hope there are some good stocks for you in these selections. So if you have a good stock, so do your research, maybe it could be a fit for you. And if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up. This would help me very much. And also, if you do not want to miss a new video, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell, so going forward you won't miss any video, because I plan to make new videos about specifically IPO stocks, long-term tech growth stocks, disruptive tech stocks, and strong momentum tech stocks, and so on. I think these are excellent. There's excellent stock material for you coming, so why not subscribe to this channel? Okay, everybody, so thank you for watching this video. I wish you good luck in your stock trading. Thank you as well. Thank you very much, and see you soon.